The ShopSite Rewards program is used to offer deals to your customers such as buy two, get one free. Text with a page link is displayed to your customers to let them know they have qualified. For this example, if we click on the link, we learn that I qualified for this free drill bit set reward because I have 2 drills in the cart. Since I already have this reward set up, we will go through its settings first, and later in this tutorial we will add our own reward. Let's go to the ShopSite back office. The rewards feature is found by going to Merchandising and clicking on Reward Program. First, we will discuss the fields found under Configure. The first field allows you to enable the feature. The next section, Settings, is basically in 2 parts. As you can see, it's where you decide whether you might charge shipping on the free reward product, and also whether or not to display the program link for rewards when the customer qualifies. I'm going to leave both of those as yes. The final section is the reward program text. This is where it shows the built-in ShopSite text for the rewards feature, in case you want to change it. I'm going to leave those as they are, so I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Before you can create a reward, you need to create the categories. Categories are where you assign what products allow your customers to qualify for the reward, called the qualifying category, and what products count as the reward, known as the reward category. For our free drill bit set reward, our qualifying category is drills. None of the fields on this page will be seen by the customer. They are solely for your benefit. In this example, my category name tells me what kinds of products I have in this category. The description, again, is just for you to remind you of what the category is for. In this example, we have left it blank. Next, we would click Select to assign the qualifying products. Products not assigned is where you would go to find any product you wish to assign to the category, and then you click Add to move it to the top box. When done, you click OK, and then save. Now let's return to the category page and edit the reward category. The category name is Drill Bit Set. The description is, again, blank. So after making sure the drill bit product has already been assigned, we'll click Save. After creating categories, we can click on Cancel to return to the main reward program page. Let's view the fields for creating a reward. We'll click on our free drill bit set reward and then click Edit. The first field is for the reward name. This is how ShopSite refers to the reward in the cart once your customers have qualified. The next field, Description, is not ever shown to your customers. You can use it to jot down additional information about your reward in case you, the merchant, need it. My description tells me that I want the customer to have 2 drills in their cart before they will qualify for the reward. Status is where you choose whether the reward is active or not, so I will leave the button for On selected. Next, you can assign an expiration date. For this example, I will leave it on Never Expire. The next section, Allow Reward to be Tracked, is basically where you decide whether this reward is valid only for the current order or if it can apply over time, requiring registration. For this buy two get one free example, I will choose Current Order Only. The next 2 sections are where you assign the categories you previously created as either the qualifying category or the reward category using the pull-down menus available. So for this reward, drills is the qualifying category and drill bits is the reward. Next is the qualifying quantities section where you list the number of products from the qualifying category which the customer must purchase before they can get a free product from the reward category. For this example, the quantity will be set at 2. I'm going to leave the field Text Added to the Free Product Name in the Cart as is. That text tells the customer and merchant which product the customer selected for their reward. This is especially useful if your reward category contains multiple products. The final field is Program Detail URL. If you have ShopSite set up to display the reward name as a link, then this is where you determine what that URL will be. You can have it go to a page which gives more information about the reward, policies, shipping, etc. I have set up a page for this reward in my store and have selected it. Let's return to our cart. You saw that I already have 2 drills selected and ShopSite displayed the reward text. If I click on the reward name, you will see that I am taken to the reward page so that I can add the drill bit set. You'll notice that ShopSite has added text to the drill bit set name, letting me know that it is my free reward product. Now I would like to create another reward and show you how that works for my registered customers. First, we need to return to ShopSite and create our new reward category. This reward will be buy 2 hammers, get 1 free. So I only need one category which will be used as both qualifying and reward. Then we create our reward. This reward will be different from the previous one because we will select the option for current order and over time, requires registration. And then save changes. Next, let's go back to our website. I'll need to log in as a registered customer in order for this to work. This screen is where registered customers can manage their account with your store. Customer registration is covered in another tutorial. For this tutorial, I will simply click Continue Shopping. This time, I will go to Hand Tools and add the hammer to my cart. I'm going to go ahead and check out with just the one hammer. Since I am a registered customer who has placed an order in this store before, ShopSite automatically displays my address for selection. This is to help speed up the checkout process. And you'll notice that when I go to the checkout screen, everything for my billing and shipping address has already been filled in. Now I need to log in again to my account. ShopSite automatically logs you out once you have placed an order. This is to protect you in case you leave the computer. You'll notice that this time, ShopSite displays a message letting me know that there is a reward which I can take advantage of. It is telling me that the reward requires 2 hammers to be purchased to qualify and that I have already purchased one. So now, when I add a hammer to my cart, you can see the message in the cart letting me know that I have qualified for the reward. So this time, even though there's only one hammer, I still qualify because ShopSite knows I already purchased another. This completes our rewards feature tutorial. Thanks for watching!